English. Grade 7. Tape script 8.23.1. A backyard. A backyard. A front yard. A front yard. A bedroom. A bedroom. A garage. A garage. A living room. A living room. A kitchen. A kitchen. A bathroom. A bathroom. Tape script 8.23.2. Dara's getting ready for school. He usually gets up late, but today he's up early. Dara's just had breakfast and is excited about school. He's getting dressed. Tape script 8.23.3.
Where are my socks and shoes, Mom?
They're on the chair in the kitchen. Go and have a look.
Mom, where's my book? It's not in my bag.
It's in your bedroom. It's on the desk in your bedroom. Go and look.
Mom, my pens, where are they?
Ugh, Dara, they're in the living room, next to the TV.
Mom, I can't find my homework.
Dara, go and have a look in the kitchen. Go and have a look in the living room. Go and have a look in the bedroom. Stop asking questions, Dara.
But Mom, they're not there. I can't find them in the living room. I can't find them in the kitchen, and I can't find them in the bedroom.
Well, go and look outside then, in the backyard.
In the backyard? But Mom... Awong!
Hi, Dara. I'm ready for school. Are you ready? Let's go!
Tape script 8.23.4.
Hi, I'm Dara. I like watching TV. I also like sleeping. I don't like doing my homework. Sometimes I help my mom do the washing up. Sometimes. I don't like doing the washing up. Can you guess which room I like best in our house? Yes, the living room. I watch TV in the living room. I sleep in the living room. And I eat in the living room. It's the coolest room ever.
Hi, I'm Sopal. I like playing football. I'm not good at playing football, but I like it. I like playing games with Awong too. He's so funny. I really like Awong. I like doing my homework. Sometimes Awong helps me with my homework. I don't like watching TV. I get bored when I watch TV. Can you guess what I like best in our house? Yes, the backyard. I play football in our backyard. I play games with Awong in our backyard, and I do my homework in the backyard. It's the coolest place ever.
Hi, my name's Bopa. I like having a shower. I have a shower 5 times a day. I also like singing in the shower. It makes me happy. I like dancing too, but I dance when no one sees me. I can dance really well, but no one knows. I go here when I'm sad and angry. Can you guess which room I like the best in our house? Yes, the bathroom. I sing and dance in the bathroom. I brush my hair in the bathroom. I feel happy when I'm in the bathroom. It's the coolest room ever.